Hi everybody, my name is Taisa, and now I'm gonna just show you the actual case in which the person had for prolonged time tendinitis. He was diagnosed actually, and he kind of like overexerted, overused his hand anyways, because he's typing a lot. He's like doing a golf, he's golfing, he loves all that stuff, so he kept going with that stuff. And now we see what we have. First of all, right here, if you look right here like this, it's not in a bad condition now, but it calls the ganglion cyst. Yeah, so the ganglion cyst formed right there. So, and then when we look here, we turn here, so he used way too many times repetitively, like his flexors and extensors. So now he has all those typical symptoms of actually carpal tunnel syndrome and the Guillain Canal syndrome. So he cannot really extend, he cannot well flex, and he cannot even radially deviate his hand. So I will ask him to actually try to do some range of motions for me to show what's going on. He has a paresthesia as well, and he has quite a weak grip as well as a result. So can you please put your hand in this condition? Just try to extend your hand as much as you can. So this is the maximum. This is his maximum before he actually appears all the symptoms, before the symptoms are appearing, so the pain. Okay, think you, relax. Can you go the other way? Can you do the flexion all the way? Can you flex your hand? Can you flex in this way your hand, please? See, as you can see, this is the maximum he can do, which is very tough. Yes, and thank you. He's already showing me the experiments on the face, so he can do. Can you deviate this way? So radial deviation we can try to do, no other way. So ulnar not. That is his maximum. You see, that's all he can do. Yeah, so his overuse of the tendons, which were already, thank you, you can relax, so which already were kind of like inflamed, because actually these the compression on his median nerve right here, the flexors, as well as the ulnar nerve was pressed as well. So, and he has all those typical signs and symptoms. So sometimes he get his fingers get like numb, and the tingling he feels and the pain he feels. So that all the signs of the paresthesia. He might change sometimes this color. I just wonder sometimes when he goes too much this way, can you go one more time this way? Sometimes even his color will change right away. So this is the maximum he can do, right? Okay, I'm not gonna abuse. That's okay. Yeah, so, and as a result we have a ganglion cyst. You see prominent. See, so that's the result of these prolonged tendinitis, untreated unfortunately, and continue repeated movements that actually abuse his tendons as well. Thank you so much for sharing with me your hand and allowing me to show the video. Really appreciate it. Okay, thank you.